Hey, what's going on, guys? Danny here with you. Just want to do a quick update video for you. And as always, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. All right, so in the earlier video that we did today, we were talking about how we formed this this bullish pennant right here, and we did break out to the upside, and we actually did come up and perfectly meet our first target up here. That was at the 0.27 level in the Fibonacci, right at the 3666 area. And as you can see, we are right now, we're consolidating again. We did actually form a descending triangle right here, and we did break bearish out of it. And actually, if we wanted to get a target for that, all you do is come from the top of the descending triangle down to the bottom and pull that down here out of the breakout area. And you can see we actually did hit that target perfectly right here. And right now we are right on this trend line right here. Do believe if we break through this, we will, of course, probably head down to this area right here, or even down to the 0.236 area. If we don't hold there, then we will, of course, head down to the 0.38 area. But let's go over a quick reason why we might be dropping right now. All right, so over here on the 15-minute, we'll check out the RSI. All right, so as you can see right here, we actually have formed a bearish divergence. That is one reason for the drop right here. This is on the 15-minute chart, but you can see we have made lower lows on the RSI. The price chart is continuing to go up, so of course this is a bearish divergence. And of course, if we don't hold these levels, then we are expected to go a little bit lower. And as always, we don't always have to have the bearish divergence play out immediately, but at some point that will play out. And let's go over here and check out the hourly chart and see how that is looking. All right, so over here on the hourly, you can see we do have a bearish divergence still as well. So at some point we will either continue to cool down, or if we don't break up, then of course we'll go back down a little bit. And it looks like we actually, let's go back over here to the 15-minute chart. It looks like we could be forming another pattern right now. All right, so this is actually part of our pennant pattern right here. But if we continue this line up here, what I want to see is for us to actually maintain this this trend line right here. Drag that over here. So what I want to see is for us to maintain this trend line, maybe come back down, bounce right here, and then head back up. And actually, the formation we have formed right here actually could be a flag pattern right here, as you can see. So we have the pole right here, and then the flag pattern. And of course, this could be bearish or bullish depending on which way we break out. But we are in a very strong uptrend, so we do have a little bit higher chance of breaking to the upside. And of course, we still do have this target right here to meet at the 0.618 area. All right, so we'll have to see how this plays out. We'll see if we consolidate, and if we can get a bounce. Hopefully that's what will happen right here. All right, and just for fun, let's see if we do happen to break bullish out of this. Let's see where we could be heading to. I'm going to come down here from the top of the flag pattern down to the bottom of the pole. All right, and I'll pull this out here. And if we happen to break out somewhere around here, target area would probably be around the 43 to 4400 area, somewhere around there. And of course, on the other side, if we do break bearish, of course, these are already our targets right here, already set for us according to the Fibonacci. The 0.236, the 0.5, and of course, our golden Fibonacci area, which is right around the 0.618 area. I don't think we'll go that low, but of course, we do still have that chance. All right, so let's go back over to the RSIs again. All right, so we already did look at the hourly, but let's go over here and look at the 4 hourly. All right, clear this out. All right, so over here on the the 4 hourly chart, the RSI is still, of course, trending upward. We are really overbought right now at the minute. It's around 81. The stochastic looks like it is starting to point down a little bit. Of course, we could be heading for a little bit of a cool down, maybe even get a bounce and head back up this way. That's hopefully what will happen. All right, over here on the daily, let's check this again. All right, the daily is sitting around the 73 area. Stochastic has really come up. Of course, that's from this big move that we had right here. Of course, we still do have all this room to run. And again, we could potentially continue to head up farther, and then we get a retracement and come back down and hit one of our retracement, or excuse me, one of our resistance levels down here that will now become a support level. All right, but again, just the quick takeaway, we are right around this main resistance line right here. I do believe we could be hanging around this for another couple hours or even a day. This is a very major line. I do want to see us get above this. When we do get above this, this is our last major resistance line. We do have this one more resistance line right here. This is the last resistance that we had until we had our big top right here, the big blow off top before we came back down. But that's just a quick update for now. We'll see how this plays out, and we'll do another update tomorrow. And again, I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Please make sure you do like and subscribe, and I will see you next video. All right, thanks. Take care.